Annual Robotics competition at Lester B. Pearson High School in Montreal North. It's as high-tech as it is fierce, but as Rob Lowery found out, it's also a lot of fun.
It might not be the right time, I might not be the right one, but there's something about us I want to say, 'cause there's something between us anyway. I might not be the right one, it might not be the right time, but there's something about us I've got to do, some kind of secret I will share.